In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying good health. Okay students, welcome back in our online class as today is Wednesday, 23rd December 2020. It is our maths lecture time. Our today's topic is time word problems. We are going to this work from unit number 9 on page number 150. Okay students, watch carefully about the concept in the word problem from page number 150. Okay students, now come to our today's task. As today is Wednesday, 23rd December 2020, all of you take out your math notebook. We are going to do the sums from the page number 115. Topic is time word problems. Okay students, I have taken the statement from the page number 150. So question number 1 is think carefully, then write sums to answer these. Students, there are the different types of word problem. In some word problem we will add, in some word problem we will subtract, and in some word problem we will multiply, and in some word problem we will divide. So I take the part A from our book, page number 115. So read carefully, think carefully, then write sums to answer these. January has 31 days. February has 28 days. How many days are there altogether in the 2 months? These 2 months are given. Number 1 is January, number 2 is February. Now they are asking to us, we will find how many days altogether in 2 months. So it is very easy. This sum shows, the word altogether shows that this is the sum of addition. When we will find the word altogether, so we will automatically add the numbers. So now we have two values. The first value is 31 and the second value is 28. So what we will do, we will make a sum of these both values. Okay, now I will write the first value is over here, that is 31. Okay students, 31, and the next value is 28. I will write here the 28. Firstly, I will make the sum and I will add the sign of addition because this is the sum of addition. So what we will do now, we are going to find the days of given 2 months. So firstly we will solve these first and second value. First value is 1 and the second value is 8. So 1 and 8 is equal to 9. We will write here 9. And the next value we will add 3 and 2 equal to 5. So we have come to know the month of January and February has 59 days altogether. So we will write here answer is 59. Answer is 59 days. Is it clear students? Okay students, now come to the part B. The second statement of the page number 150 is how many days are there in 6 weeks. So students, in this sum we will find the days of 6 weeks. So what we will do, firstly we will make the sum. First value is 6. I will write 6 over here. I will write the first value 6 is here. So now you will be confused. So what will be the next value? So read carefully. The next value is hidden in the days. As you all knows how many days are in a week? 7 days. So now we are going to know the days of the 6 weeks. So we will write here 7. 6 weeks and 7 days. So what we will do? We will read the table of 6 till then 7. So we will put the sign of multiplication. You will write the 6 over 7 and you will read the table of 6 till then 7. In this way we will come to know how many days are in 6 weeks. 6 sevens are 42. So it will be clear. The 6 weeks have 42 days. Okay, students, the 6 weeks have 42 days. The answer is 42. You got it? Okay, students, now come to the part C of the page number 150. I'm going to explain the last statement of this page. Rest of the statements, rest of the sums you will solve by yourself. Part C. Maha is 6 years old. Her teacher is 29 years old. How much older is her teacher than Maha? Try to understand carefully. Here are two statements. Here are two values. One is 6 and one is 29. So we won't come to know how much Maha's teacher older than Maha. So what we will do in this sum? We will cut the years out of 29 out of her teacher. We will cut the 6 years of Maha out of her teacher, that is 29 years old. So for cut the sum, we want to subtract the values, and in subtraction we will write the bigger number in the top of the sum and the smaller number in the bottom number. This value will be at the place of the bottom and it will be the upper value, because we can subtract from the bigger one number. We can subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So let's come with me. We will make the sum of subtraction. Okay, firstly I will write the first value, that is 29, on the upper place. 29 is the bigger number than 6, and the second value is 6, so I will write 6 under the 9. Now we want to subtract the Maha's years out of her teacher years. Her teacher is 29 years old and Maha is 6 years old. We come to know how her teacher is old than Maha. So what we will do, we will subtract the age of Maha out of her teacher's age. So we will make a sum and draw the lines for answer. So the first value is 9. We will cut the 6 out of 9. So we have remaining number is 3. When we will cut 6 out of 9, the remaining number is 3, and 2 will be as it is, will be right over here. So we have come to know the Maha's teacher 23 years old than Maha. Okay students, this is the answer. 23 years. Maha's teacher is 23 years old than Maha. Is it clear students? You will write these statements, these word problem in your notebooks, math notebooks. As it is, you will maintain the page and you will write firstly you will write the statement, then you will solve the sum, same like this. I hope you have better understanding about this word problem. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with our new lecture at the same place at the same time. Inshallah, have a very good care of yourself and focus on your studies. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet. Allah Hafiz students.